Nissan Motorsports and Customization announced that it will introduce a new sporty grade of the Note Aura AUTECH called AUTECH SPORTS SPEC. The new model is set to be released on February 4, 2025. The AUTECH SPORTS SPEC is the newest addition to the premium sporty brand AUTECH. Developed by NMC, AUTECH is a specialized brand that blends sportiness with luxury, leveraging decades of expertise in custom car manufacturing. The carefully selected materials and meticulous design, crafted down to the finest details, are sure to appeal to drivers who desire a high-quality driving experience. In terms of design, the Note Aura AUTECH Sports SPEC closely resembles the standard Note Aura AUTECH, with the main differences being a large spoiler and a trunk door featuring an emblem with the model's name. While the regular Aura AUTECH offers a sporty aesthetic, the Aura AUTECH Sports SPEC stands out with notable technical enhancements. The special edition features a reworked suspension, including stiffer springs and shock absorbers. Additionally, a Yamaha damper has been incorporated to reduce body vibrations, and the power steering system has been reconfigured for improved handling. The new model also comes equipped with Michelin E-Primacy tires. In terms of ground clearance, the Nissan Note Aura AUTECH Sports SPEC sits at 130 mm compared to 145 mm for the standard Aura AUTECH. The iconic AUTECH blue, inspired by the sea and sky of Chingasaki Shonan, where the brand originated, is featured on the Note Aura AUTECH Sports SPEC. The special model is available in a unique color combination, the Aurora Flare Blue Pearl Super Black two-tone. Additionally, a variety of other color options are available, offering a total of 8 colors to choose from. The technology in the AUTECH Sports SPEC remains consistent with the base Aura model. It is equipped with Nissan's e-Power hybrid system, where the 1.2-liter petrol engine, 82 horsepower, serves solely as a generator, while the front wheels are powered by a 136 horsepower electric motor. The Note Aura AUTECH Sports SPEC is available exclusively with front-wheel drive, while both the Note Aura and Note Aura AUTECH offer all-wheel drive variants, which include an additional 68 horsepower electric motor on the rear axle. The Note Aura AUTECH Sports SPEC will be offered exclusively as a front-wheel drive model with a suggested retail price of 3,198,800 yen.